I come down here and I talk to you personally, and all you can do is embarrass me. I'm more, Goldie. I'm much more.
You're a pig. You're a greedy pig. I mean, you're worse than cancer. You're like an epidemic. You're a disease, man. That's what you are. You're like a curse. But let me tell you something, fat man. Let me tell you something, you vicious-ass piece of jelly. I want you to do me a favor and take old Judas goat over there, and I want you to just get the fuck out of my face, okay?
I'm soaking up all the game. Just got head from what's her name in the middle of the movie. And she's fine as shit, but she want my money. But all my homies be like, ooh, pop and keep that Ciroc, pop and keep that Patron, pop and get that Grey Goose, pop it, nigga, we don't care.
What's shaking with y'all, man?
We throw our sets up in the air. I tell a nigga like, ooh, I came fresh on that Royals beat. Your flow got a smell to it, spoiled meat. Your flow fake gold teeth, right in his sleep. I might go acapella, nigga, fuck a beat. Just make sure you 10 feet away from me. Make sure your bum ass don't got nothing to say to me. Ooh, I'm so tired of niggas' feelings. Ooh, I'm so tired of niggas' feelings. Abracadabra, bro, we in the building. I would stab your girl if someone paid me $1 million. Been a party where there's naked bitches hanging from the ceiling. Only way they let you in is if you's a drug dealer. Been to parties so deep in the woods, only way you get in there is on a 4-wheel. So tired of listening to niggas sob stories. I'm wireless, I'm Wi-Fi, I'm 4G. More of me, she wished there was 4Gs. I'm guilty, that's lawyers and more court fees. AKA morphine, more money and morphines. All I see is weirdos and more creeps. I'm in her throat, horse dick, 4 feet. All she could do is yell out, more meat. Say my name, bells ring for 4 weeks. More whores, hotels, and more suites. Celebrate the legend of Guilty Gary. Stupid hoes be the joke of the year. Started with a poke, now we here. Got a pit bull, puppy blow the smoke in his ear. I hate cocaine, I love drinking beer. I won't do a molly for the rest of the year. I got way too high the last time, I swear. Love weird chicks, light skinned and blonde hair. Green eyes, freckles, oh that's so rare. Cocaine, Lorraine, ain't a damn thing changed. Pool full of lean, we swimming in codeine. How you real when you got stuffing ripping out your seams? He got the Bieber fever, I just seen his eyes change. Side chick, side game, bang. Step out the way and step up your game. They call me Guilty Gary, but yeah, you know the name. Same nigga that won them chips in the poker game. Same nigga that ain't changed since the 3rd grade.
That's my nigga.
Went to the strip club last week. They was like, is this your first time, G? I hopped on that stage, Jumanji. Fuck these hoes, throw that money on me. That's a bar right there. Fuck out my face, jive turkey. Guilty. Get it? I ain't done yet. Exclusive. I might walk right up to the queen and say, Your Highness, I'll never be Roy. Yo, but I've been ruling this shit like a doy. Yo, I never been rich or spoiled. Yo, I might bag an Irish chick like a boy. Yo, bitch, I'm black as oil. Yo, dream, put me to sleep. Put me to sleep talking about that you murder beats. I'll break mics in half, I'm a wildebeest. I kidnap your mom, then I kill your niece. Ooh, put a muzzle on him, conceal his teeth. I put a suit on when it's time to preach. I put a bib on when it's time to eat. I put a condom on when it's time to ski. I put a mask on when it's time to creep. Motherfucker, get money like an emergency. The urgency, the nerve of me. Guess I got tired of bitches constantly curving me. I got a new connect, grade A coca leaf. Now all these hoes notice me. It's Guilty G. Dope.
The legend of Guilty Gary.
And the prophecy continues.